About this item: relaxation unlimited, embrace comfort as you sink into the Harlow. It has an ergonomic backrest support, multiple reclining positions, comfortable side rests, 275-degree swivel and smooth gliding motions, designed to provide full comfort to your body. Power reclining mechanism: reclining has never been this easy, thanks to Harlow's convenient electronic push-button panel on the armrest. There is also a built-in USB port, power cord included, to ensure your electronics are always charged and at hand. Easy setup. Enjoy tool-free assembly with the Harlow Deluxe glider. It comes in fabulous finishes that will blend seamlessly into your nursery, bedroom, or study. Strong build: the Harlow is Greenguard Gold certified and has a solid metal base that easily supports swivel rotation and gliding capabilities. It is covered with an easy-to-clean durable polyester fabric with foam filling and has convenient side pockets. KEY specs: weight, 84 pounds and weight capacity, 250 pounds. Dimensions, 31L x 32W x 39H inches. It meets all CATB 117-2013 flammability requirements, 1-year LTD manufacturer's warranty. It is crafted with FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, certified wood.